and eat breakfast in the balcony so that I can have sunlight while eating and drinking coffee. You wanna see the sun there? It's the sun. I'm here in the balcony so that I can have sunlight while eating and drinking coffee. The sun is coming out early because it's already summer. Summer is coming. The winter is almost done. Noontime, the temperature is very hot already. The sun is so hot. If it's summer, very hot, even it's early morning. I won't be able to go walking if it's already summer because the temperature outside the house is very hot. That's why while it's winter, I always walking. My favorite walking spot is in the seaside, beside the beach. To smell the sea salt water from the sea. While looking the water wave, and you can meditate beside the sea. You can pray. I'm feeling that every time I go to the beach, beside the beach, if you pray, it will go right away to God because there is no building. It's open space. Your prayer is going right away. God will hear it right away.